Press the power button once to turn on the fan. The default speed is level 1. Short press the rotary slider to switch the speed level from 1, 25, 50, 75, 100, and back to 1. At any fan speed, push the rotary slider upward to gradually increase the fan speed from 1 up to 100. Push it downward to decrease the fan speed from 100 down to 1. While the fan is running, press and hold the power button once to turn on the cooling function. The cooling indicator will light up. Press and hold the power button again to turn it off. Short press the power button to turn off the fan.